My name is Randell Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get too far into the video, I just want to take a few moments to give you guys a little bit of context. Basically, this year I want to take a little bit of time and upcycle a couple of Christmas decorations that we've had for about 10 years now. So we got these Christmas decorations about 10 years ago. Can't remember exactly where. I do believe we were doing a foreclosure cleanup for one of my dad's friends. Found these, brought them home to my mother. The first couple of years they worked fine. Then the light fixture on the inside burned out and it would just not keep a bulb, wouldn't power on. Now, she has continued to use them all these years. Within the last couple, I've wanted to replace the light fixture for her. That way she can light them up. Now, this year I kind of got a little bit of a hankering. I had the idea of replacing a light fixture and then using one of these smart LED bulbs that change colors to go on the inside just to kind of spice them up a little bit. But once I got set on that idea, I remembered that I had several extra LED kits. And instead of using a smart LED bulb, I figured these are pretty cheap. I already have them on hand and went forward. So basically, I just traced out the bottom of each of these onto a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and then used a dowel rod coming up into the center of the piece, wrapped them in LEDs, and mounted the inside control and battery pack with hot glue on the inside of the decorations. Nothing crazy, nothing special. Hope you guys continue to enjoy the rest of the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you liked or disliked. If you do like the video, you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I would like to say I put out videos regularly, but it's been kind of spotty. I do plan on revamping the channel, posting consistent content here this year. In fact, this is part of a push in order to get several videos out in the next couple weeks. In the meantime, you guys have a good one. I'll go ahead and stop boring you here and I'll let you finish the video. See you guys on the next one.